Hello, welcome to our channel, ZETSAW. Today, I'd like to introduce heavy-duty H-333 to you. This saw has the longest blade of our saws. This sturdy saw blade with tough universal saw teeth is ideal for heavy-duty construction woodwork. It is cross-cutting for soft square timber. It cuts so smoothly that we can feel great. Next, it is slant cutting. It also cuts so smoothly and the cut is so beautiful. Next, it is soft long cutting. We can cut soft logs. Finally, it is hard square timber cutting. We can cut not only softwoods but also hardwoods. This is compatible with the saw blades, except for Cross H-225 and Dozuki backsaw series. Alright, this is the end of the video today. Please subscribe to our channel and like. Thank you for watching.